Welcome back to Crypto Today, everything decentralized. Today we're going to be talking about blockchain for mass adoption. And the reason I'm saying this is because survey shows that 41% of the world's tech leaders favor blockchain technology, and we can also see the acceptance of cryptocurrencies as a new asset class. With this being said, I truly believe that the next bull run may in fact be around the corner. It seems like this is the year for partnerships, FUD, and growth. What do you guys think? Is the next bull run closer than we may think? And is mass adoption happening before our own very eyes? Let me know in the comments below. And today's video was just pretty short because it's pretty self-explanatory. Like, we can just basically see that 41% of the world's tech leaders are favoring the blockchain technology. And this just comes to show that the acceptance and the demand for blockchain technology, along with cryptocurrencies, is definitely increasing and at a much faster rate. But today's bonus content will be covers Nicolas Maduro's government announcement that he decided to launch a cryptocurrency remittance services that will be accepting Bitcoin and Litecoin. However, even though this will be great for mass adoption as a whole, I still dislike the fact that apparently he's going to be setting a limit into how much cryptocurrency each individual can purchase a month, which I believe that's pretty much the only downfall that it has, because this means that they're also going to be monitoring the transactions heavily, which it kind of goes against what cryptocurrencies and blockchain stands for. But nonetheless, it's still great news for mass adoptions as a whole. It's just kind of like a little setback in the sense that he's going to be limiting the amount that everybody can purchase. So basically, he will be monitoring every transaction. It's going to go through his system where he can see everything and they can monitor everything. But besides that, I think it's definitely going to be great, and it's definitely going to help and pave the road towards mass adoption, which is where we all want to be. That's the main goal, the end goal for every cryptocurrency and for every blockchain project out there. But nonetheless, let me know what you guys think. Is this good news, despite the fact that it's going to be limited purchases in Venezuela specifically, or do you guys think that it all makes sense due to what they're going through financially over there? Let me know in the comments below, and that does it for this video. I'll see you guys on the next one.